Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to do chapter number 2, natural numbers and whole numbers, exercise 2.4. Okay, so question number 1, it is fill in the blanks. You can do it on your own. So we are starting from question number 2. So question number 2 here, it is saying you have to solve this, okay, by applying the properties. So I will teach you the properties with the questions as I'll do. Okay, so first question, 4 multiply 314 multiply 25. So as you can see, when you will multiply 25 into 4, you know that will give you 100. So this is more easier to multiply than to multiply 314, to multiply 4 or to 25. So what we are doing here, we are reshuffling it. So 314 will come in first and 4 will go over here. This property of changing the places of the numbers is known as commutative property. Okay, you can write A into B is equals to B into A. Means the first place has become the second place and the second number has taken the first place. So now 25 into 4, this is much easier to multiply. So that will be give you 100. So 314 multiply with 100. Just 2 zeros will be added. So it will be 31,400. This is your answer. Now question number B. Here 115 is multiplied to 26 plus 115 multiplied to 24. So here you can see 115 is multiplied to both the numbers. So you can take 115 common. So take it outside. Now add 26 plus 24 inside. So this property, when two numbers are written with different two numbers multiplied, and here there can be a sign of plus or there can be a sign of minus. So this property is known as distributive property. Okay, because there are same numbers are written twice. So by applying distributive property or distributivity, you can write 26 plus 24 is equals to 50. So 115 multiply 50. The answer is 5,750. Okay. Next is question number 3. In question number 3, you have to just write the name of the properties, which property is used over here in the question. So again, here you can see, now you'll understand it better what are the properties. So here you can see A is multiplied to B and B is multiplied to A. It means 7 is multiplied to 11, then again 11 is multiplied to 7. So we can write anything. 7 into 11 is also 77, 11 into 7 is also 77. Both will give you the same answer. So this is known as commutative property. As I just taught you here, we are changing the places. Here also we change the places, but we are not changing the numbers. In second question, there are 3 numbers. Okay, now we are changing the brackets over here. In first number, we are multiplying 13 multiply 15 first, and the second one we are multiplying 15 multiply 7 first, then the answer will be multiplied to 13. This is known as associative property. Okay, means in 3 numbers we will multiply the 2 numbers first and then we will multiply the third number. And here we will multiply the last 2 numbers first and then we will multiply the first number. Now, when any number is multiplied to 1, that is known as multiplicative identity. This property. Okay, 1 means multiplicative identity. You have to remember the name. Now anything multiplied to 0 will always give you 0. So this is known as multiplicative property of 0. So any number multiplied to 0 will give you 0. Now this is a normal multiplication. 6 multiply 3, that is equals to 18. Okay, so this is known as closure property. Okay, next is question number F. Here again you can see like this question, 11 multiply 7 plus 8. So 11 is multiplied to 7 also, 11 is multiplied to 8 also. So this was distributive property. Because here there is addition sign, that's why it is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, and when there is subtraction sign like this, so then it is known as distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, so you have to remember all these properties, you have to learn all these properties. Okay, the definitions you can see from the book, or you can understand whatever I have made you understand over here. Next is question number 4. A 33 multiplied to 103. So you can directly also multiply it, but it will be difficult for you to multiply. So what will you do? 103, split it into 2 parts. So it will become 100 plus 3. Now again you can apply the distributive property. 33 will be multiplied to 100, 33 will be multiplied to 3. So 33 multiplied with 100 will give you 3300. And when it is multiplied to 3, it will give you 99. Now you can add it easily. So the answer will be 3399 or 3399. Next is again the similar question. 1002 multiply 62. 1002 you can write it as 1000 plus 2 multiply 62. So 62 is multiplied to 1000 by distributive property. It will give you 62,000. And 62 multiplied with 2, that will give you 124. Now you can add it out. So it will give you 62,124. Easy? Now, class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.